Hi everyone, my name is Olumide Odumade. I'm a petroleum geoscientist and stratigrapher currently based in Lagos, Nigeria. I would like to share with you some interesting things about Lagos and its geology. Also, I shall be sharing with you how it's like to be a petroleum geoscientist and some of my favorite authors in the concept of sequence stratigraphy. Enjoy.
I live in the beautiful city of Lagos. Lagos is a coastal city at the southwestern part of Nigeria. Lagos, which means lakes, was a name given to the settlement by the Portuguese. At the west, Lagos shares borders with the Republic of Benin. At the south of Lagos is the Atlantic Ocean. Lagos, which covers an area of about 1,171 square kilometers. By population, Lagos is the largest city in Africa. Lagos has a population of about 22 million people. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the world and also one of the most populous urban agglomerations and a major financial center in Africa. Lagos has two prominent lagoons, Lagos Lagoon to the west and Lekki Lagoon to the east, while the Lekki Lagoon is connected to the Lagos Lagoon to the west. The Lagos Lagoon is connected to the Atlantic Ocean by a tidal inlet called the Commodore's Channel. As a result of the back and forth movement of the river due to the exchange of water between the lagoon and the Atlantic Ocean, two deltas are formed. At the Atlantic Ocean side is the ebb tidal delta, and at the lagoon side is the flood tidal delta. As a geologist, since the present is the key to the past, I find the geology of Lagos as a very good, useful modern analog whenever I need to characterize subsurface wave-dominated coastal deposits. Lagos Lagoon is separated from the Atlantic Ocean by the barrier bars, and this bars is the home of several beaches in Lagos. These beaches with their secluded sands provide a means of recreation and relaxation after the daily hustle and bustle in Lagos. This is me and my fellow petroleum geoscientist hanging out at the beach. The tidal channel subdivides Lagos into two major areas, the mainland to the west and island to the east. The mainland and island is connected by three prominent bridges, the Echo Bridge, the Carter Bridge, and the Third Mainland Bridge, which is believed to be one of the longest bridges in Africa. I reside on the island. I live and work in the same vicinity. My office is just about 6 minutes drive from home. I work for DigiConnect. DigiConnect is a consulting firm. The company is one of the leading sub-Saharan Africa hydrocarbon asset management company with over 27 years in the oil and gas industry. These are the range of services that we offer. Actually, what I do as a petroleum geoscientist is study subsurface data sets, create models out of them. If hydrocarbon has been discovered, we'll try to quantify it, understand the reservoir properties, and as well as predict possible areas where hydrocarbon could likely be found. And sequence stratigraphy plays a significant role in understanding the reservoir and discovering potential areas where hydrocarbon could be found. I do most of my studies at home, and I'll quickly like to share with you some of my favorite texts in sequence stratigraphy. I shall start with the principles of sequence stratigraphy written by Octavia Cartuniano. This book is built largely on existing literature and shifts the focus towards making sequence stratigraphy more user-friendly and a flexible method of analysis of sedimentary rock records, and intended to explain different models. And there's no one model fits all, that one model is more preferable in a particular environment than the other. And the next book I shall share with you is a book written by Astronomy by Principles of Sequence Stratigraphy, also a very good fundamental text. Also, this book written Sequence Stratigraphy, written by Miriam Mayers, also a very good text, a foundational text. And also, this book is the first book I ever read in sequence stratigraphy. It tries to showcase the power of chronostratigraphy over conventional lithostratigraphy and how you can apply the sequence stratigraphy to interpreting logs and also on outcrop scale. The next book shall be explaining this book is largely descriptive, a very good book, Sedimentology and Stratigraphy, written by Gary Nichols, a very good book if you need to understand depositional environment, because if sequence stratigraphy is ever going to find its application, it needs to be applied together with the knowledge of depositional environment. This book also, if you need to understand wireline logs and how you can identify the various surfaces
and in order to subdivide your sequences into their various system tracks. This book I would recommend. Last but not the least is this book written by Roger Slatt. This book focuses on the stratigraphic aspect of characterization, and this book is filled with a lot of case studies. I find it very useful whenever I'm interpreting and I need case studies. This book is filled with a lot of case studies, and I hope you also find it useful too. Thank you for listening.